Hi everyone, welcome back to Banking and Crypto Guide. Today I'm going to be guiding you through how to reset your Gemini account's password on your PC. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. To reset your password for Gemini wallet, open up a web browser first. In the URL box at the top, type in www.gemini.com and press enter on your keyboard. You'll end up in the official site of Gemini, which looks like this. Go to the upper right hand and click on the sign in link in order to end up in the sign in area for your Gemini wallet. Go ahead and enter your email address followed by your password. In case you've forgotten your password and you'd like to reset your password, click on reset your password link at the bottom. On the next page, enter your email address associated with Gemini wallet in the email address text box. Once you do that, click the continue button. You'll be able to receive an authorization code sent to your email inbox. Simply open up the email inbox and follow the on-screen prompts and you'll be able to receive the authorization code in your email inbox. Simply enter the authorization code and click on the submit button. On the next page, you'll need to go ahead and enter the new password you'd like to change to for Gemini and you'll be able to reset your password quick and easy. That is how you can easily reset your password for Gemini wallet. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.